Hi, Snips. Hi. I helped a couple friends clean out and organize part of their garage yesterday, so they gave me a bunch of donations to donate, including this. So I'm gonna give this to my friend's like homeless shelter that she volunteers at, rather than Goodwill, because there's a need for men's clothes at this shelter. So I'm gonna do that. And then my friend gave me a wind chime. I've been looking for wind chime and it has sunflowers on it. So I'm going to keep it, and then if I don't like it, I'll just donate it. I'm trying to figure out where to hang it from. Just got this back from the dry cleaners. I'm going to use this plastic and put some pillows in there that I'm donating, so that way I won't use up like an extra garbage bag and everything. So my friends gave us a down comforter, or 2 down comforters and 2 pillows. Not going to use the pillows, I'm just going to donate them, and then the comforters we will keep in the attic, and I'll probably vacuum seal the bag. So I wore this a few weeks ago, and it's just a little tight in the chest, the buttons are, and it's also kind of sheer. So I'm going to donate this. I always pile my bras up, and then I'm like, oh, I have no bras. This is my little drawer organizer. This has little pockets for like sports bras or socks or whatever you need. Just got that organized, and then I've got my other sports bras over here, and then regular bras go here. This is my underwear organizer. So I have this little cover for it, and I hate how this bed is. I did not pick this out, by the way. But we get dog hair and dust in there, so I decided to get those little containers a few months ago. Okay, this is a disaster zone. Also cleaning up my bathroom. Gotta put some stuff away. And yeah, this is embarrassing. Already looks a little bit better. Gonna put this away upstairs. Took out all the bins from here. Found some old wax. I will be throwing this out. This is surfing wax. And then use this still. I think I should probably throw it out. Okay, I'm gonna be donating this. It just doesn't really fit right. It has stars on it. I feel like I'm a little bit too old for stars. And then some winter stuff that's going in the attic. Anyway, I'm gonna donate that. And then I'm gonna donate this. It's for a cat. I got it for my smallest dog, but she doesn't really like it, so it'll go to Goodwill. I'm in the home stretch. I need to stay motivated. Just gotta rearrange some stuff. This is going in there. This needs to be hung up in there. And then at some point, not today, but I need to go through this, declutter, organize, donate some stuff. So my mom found my American Girl doll Felicity tea set from Williamsburg, Virginia, Colonial Williamsburg, that I got in 1998, I think it was. She told me that it had smashed when she put it in the attic. She miraculously found it. So I'm going to, I think, wash it and then maybe use it for tea. Yeah, funny thing is, we are going to Williamsburg soon, Colonial Williamsburg because I haven't been back in 25 years and my husband's never been. So we're gonna rent a cabin and one that's dog friendly. Forgot I had this little spoon from Williamsburg. Oops, I guess it'll go in my little spoon collection. One more slot. There we go. Don't know what happened here. This one is a little bit chipped. So the teapot is in pretty good shape. I'm gonna use this often because I do like to drink tea. Just boiled myself some. I actually have peach tea, and I think those are peaches right here. I forgot there were little saucers too. Not sure the last time this has been washed. Probably never, so I'm gonna take care of that. It's the next day, so I cleaned up pretty much everything. I'm gonna pull out some stuff and vacuum and dust and sweep. Got company coming over today. These are my grandma's linens, so I'm gonna find a place for those. And then, let's see. Yeah, just gonna move some stuff around and sweep. And I'll leave this for another day to organize.